And here are the kitchen cleaning sponges. Very spongy, have a good cleaning surface on the back. We're going to do some dishes right here. We're going to use our Dawn Platinum 4 times the grease. We're going to cut through the grease on this pan that I just warmed up some food, some meatballs. So this is how these sponges look and feel. They're not too abrasive, so you can pretty much use them on any type of surface, even a glass lid. Switch over to the soft part as well. And we've got some extra food in this one. This is gravy. We'll get that out. Add a little soap in there. Use the soft side. And there you go. Ready to use again for the next dish.